What's going on YouTube? Welcome back to another video. In today's video, we're going to be going over Bittorrent coin for our daily updates. And yeah, we'll be going over the weekly time frame and the daily time frame. First on the weekly, we'll talk about our price predictions for the Moon Boy talk, why we are looking at this level. How did we come to this prediction of the 1-to-1 coming in at about 11 cents? How are we coming to this prediction of the possibility of even reaching $1.50, $1.60 on Bittorrent coin? Because we know that it's possible for this coin. I mean, just look at it from its lowest point to the highest point. That's 10,000%. So we know that this coin can climb. It's not even a question. Anybody that thinks that it can't clearly doesn't know how to read numbers. You know what I mean? So yeah, we'll be going over that, and then we'll also be going over the daily time frame to give you more of a what's going on in the immediate short term. So if that sounds good to you guys, make sure you guys go down below this video, hit that like and subscribe button, join us on Discord, and follow me on Twitter. And most importantly, if you guys would like to learn how to make $286 in 17 minutes like I did right here, or $312 in an hour and a half like I did right here, or even 4,400% like I did right there, then go down below the video, sign up to Bybit using my link right here. You can get up to $1,600 for free. And once you do, as a thank you, I will send you guys my course completely for free. There's no catch, there's no gimmicks. All you got to do is sign up and deposit onto this exchange and start trading. If you already have an account with Bybit or another exchange, that's fine. Just transfer your money over to this new account, transfer your crypto, and start trading. And once you do, you message me on Discord or Twitter, and I will send you this course completely for free as a thank you. And also, too, don't forget, once you join the Discord, also as a thank you, we do have this trade and chill section here where we actually do live trading. So this trade right here that I actually took it live in the Discord. So make sure you guys are joining us there. And without further ado, let's jump back into the video. So with Bittorrent coin, the way we came to this level, let's go ahead and just delete these and I'll just show you guys really quickly. So let's do this. So the way we're doing this is we're grabbing our trend-based Fibonacci extension. If you guys don't have that, you guys can go down to the second or third option right here, and then you go down to trend-based Fib extension, and you go ahead and we'll click that, and we'll go from swing low to swing high to swing low. And then you want to double click on it and make sure that your style says that you have the fibs levels based on log scale, and you have your 1 and your 1.618 there, and then you hit OK. And so also too, you want to have your thing in log. So what we're looking at here is if we were to take the distance from this low to this high and then duplicate that and put it on top, then the 1-to-1 comes to right about there. So I think, yeah, the log scale is really messed up. You guys can see here, this thing gets shorter and longer. But yeah, that's how we're coming up to that level right there. So we could end up seeing price do something like this. We'd want to see this come up, back test this all-time high, because again, you want to always flip support and resistance. Look at what happens when you do that here, right? You flip. So this was a resistance, we break above it, we come back test this. We want to see this continue to go up, because if we get rid of these little brushes here, you'll see that already using this once resistance as a support is starting to launch us to the upside. So we want to see that again. We want to see some crawling up. We want to see a breakthrough back test that'll give us the go signal that this is it. We are going all the way up to that 11-cent mark. But if we're looking at the Elliott wave theory side of things, then we have to look at it like this, whereas this could be the wave 1 is in, then we put in our wave 2 correction, and then we could come up for our wave 3. Now, if you guys know about Elliott wave theory, you guys know that wave 3 usually is an extended wave where you come up to the 1.618, which means that we could, on the weekly time frame, be looking at this $1.44, you know, $1.30, $1.40, $1.50. That whole region, right? If this is going to play out. Now, these are obviously way bigger ideas. You know, we could be talking about months or years from now, but like I said, we do know that this coin can pump. So let's keep that in the back of our mind. All right, so let's head back over to the daily. Let's get a little bit more closer to the current time frame and kind of look at things, what's going on. So again, like we said, we have the support level right here. Now the next thing that we need to do is break this level cleanly. Okay, so right now we're looking at this level right here on the daily. We have broken above it slightly, but it's not like a clean break. We need a massive candle to show us that this is a clean break, so that way we can be rest assured that we are going to come up and test the next level, which would be right here. And why are we looking at that level? Well, we do have this support and resistance flip zone right here. So this once was a support, broke down, back tested a resistance, and then now we started to come back down, okay? So if we just look at it like this as two levels of resistance, what do we need to see in the immediate short term, okay? So we need to see this come up, break that, back test it, either back test it or shoot straight up and then back test this. But for the most part, we're probably going to come up, back test this, then we want to see some movement to the upside like this, some healthy movement to the upside, break that, and then back test it and continue to the upside, okay? I don't want to go any further than that because then that's when it gets to the point where it's real moon boy like we were talking about earlier. But just for the more immediate short term, that's what we want to see. If we do see it start to come back down, again, we want to see this area right here acting as a support for us, okay? Because it once was resistance flipped into support. So that area that we're talking about is this number right here. Okay, if we do not get that, you guys, if we do not get that, then we'd have no choice but to look for the next support area somewhere around here again. And if that's lost, then, you know, all hell broke loose and, you know, we're coming back down closer and closer to zero. Okay, but it doesn't look like that's going to happen. It looks like it's pretty solid to the upside. And again, I would imagine if we do get a pullback, we're either going to be using this area, this little support, this little resistance flipped into support. But if not, then the next level that we'd be looking for it would be support down here. Okay, so let's look at the EMAs as well to kind of give us an idea of what it is that we could be looking for that price action. And again, if we did start to come back down, we'd start to see the EMAs start to move down like this, which would then signal us to use this area as support like we were talking about a little bit earlier. So the EMAs kind of back up the market structure theory that we were talking about. All right, and let's see here, let's get rid of the EMAs. Thank you for watching the video. Don't forget to go down below, hit that like and subscribe button. We do this on a daily basis. Join the Discord and follow me on Twitter. And most importantly, again, like we were talking about earlier, if you guys want to learn how I made $286 in 17 minutes, or how I was able to make $312 in an hour and a half, or even the super amazing luxurious crazy trade that I took where it's 4,400%, go down below, join us over on Bybit. You can get up to 1,600 for free. And most importantly, once you do that, I will send you my course for free. There's no gimmicks. There's no nothing. You don't owe me anything. All you got to do is sign up, deposit money onto the account that you just made, and start trading. Once you do, you message me on Discord or Twitter, and I will send you my course completely for free. And if you already have an exchange with an account with another exchange somewhere else, it doesn't matter. Just take that money, even if it's on Bybit already, take that crypto, put it onto your new Bybit account that you used with my link, and I will send it to you. Just message me and let me know that you did that, and we'll hook you up with that. And then also, too, most importantly, when you join the Discord, you will be a watcher, okay? You'll be a watcher. Just post up your charts, let me know that you're serious, and then I'll change you from a watcher to a trader or charter, you can see here. And that gets you access to this trader and charter section, where we are posting up some of our ideas that are netting, you know, 2.6%. Someone right here, let's see, 7.4%. In fact, it's already up now, probably because we're taking the highs. So yeah, Max is posting up his ideas, you can see here. And there's all of that fun stuff. And then also, too, just in general, people are posting up a lot of their wins. Norse, Terry Bong, Mr. Gixer. So yeah, we're just a good community. We're actually live trading over here. We scalp trade, we day trade, we swing trade. We trade all the trades. So you guys can see here, just a bunch of people are joining in with us. So yeah, hit the like and subscribe button. Join us over on Bybit, Discord, Twitter, all that fun stuff. I'll catch you guys on the next video.